So if you are invested in crypto assets and you don't want to lose them, do not leave them on your exchanges. What you want to get is a hardware wallet like this. I just got my Ledger Nano X today. In this video, let's unbox this. I will set it up. We'll see how this can be set up, and we'll transfer some of my cryptocurrency onto this wallet. Let's get started. All right, so when you open this, there's pretty much nothing comes inside the box apart from one device. This is essentially your hardware wallet, and this is where all the currency is gonna be. Pretty much there's nothing inside, some sheets, and yes, of course, there's one cable through which you can connect this wallet to your laptop. Also, they give you three recovery sheets. Now guys, this is very essential. When you set up this wallet, it is going to give you 24 words, 24 phrases, which you need to note down in the same order. So if I lose this wallet, if this is broken, if this is just gone somewhere and I just lost it, I can essentially order another one, put these 24 phrases as it is on the wallet, and I'm going to get all my currency back into my next wallet. But this is supposed to be kept really safe. So if you have these, just keep them very safe, because if anybody gets them, they can just get a new wallet and transfer everything to their new wallet. Your entire currency can just go away. All right guys, to set up your wallet, first and foremost, what you need is, on your computer, you need to download the Ledger Live application. For that, you need to go to ledger.com. On the website, you go to downloads, and please be aware, do not download it from any other website. There are lots and lots of frauds. If you download the wrong software, your assets might just go away. So Ledger Live, you got to download this Ledger Live application. You have an option to download the Ledger Live on your mobile phone, which I've already done, and I'll show you how you can use Ledger Live on your mobile phone. Also, you can download Ledger Live on your desktop, which we are doing it right now. So select mine is Mac application, so I'll just select Mac and allow the download. So it's downloading. Till the time it's downloading, guys, you need to know that your Ledger Live can support 27 coins. So pretty much on your Ledger wallet, you can have 27 different coins, 1500 different tokens. At any given point in time, you can have 1250 different ERC tokens on your wallet itself, and right from your wallet you can basically stake them, sell them, purchase them, transfer to some other wallet, transfer to some other exchange. So there's lots that you can do with your hardware wallet, and keeping everything safe in your possession. Do not leave your cryptocurrency on the exchange, guys. There are lots of frauds, there are lots of hackers out there. If you have a lot of assets in your crypto assets, like if you have a lot of money in your cryptocurrency, you do not want to just lose them because you don't have a hardware wallet. Just have a hardware wallet, guys. It's not very expensive. You can get a Ledger, this is Ledger Nano X. You can get a Ledger Nano S, they call it, which is pretty much everything is the same. The capacity is a little lower, and that can, I think, hold four currencies at any given point in time. That is, I think, $99. This would be roughly around $190 or something like that. But it's absolutely worth every penny you spend. So I have installed my Ledger Live application. So if I go to Launchpad, I should be having it over here. There it is, Ledger Live. So we are going to turn on the Ledger Live application. Click on open. I'll just turn off this website from the back end, and let's see. Oh, it's gone to other screen. Let me bring it over here. All right, so welcome to Ledger. Let's get started. Agree to the usual stuff. Enter Ledger app. Okay, what is your device? So there are pretty much 3 devices available. As I said, Ledger S is the smallest one. I've got the Ledger Nano X. I click on the Ledger Nano X. So because this is my first time using Ledger Nano X, so I would be setting up a new Ledger Nano X over here. If this is a backup device, or maybe you have lost your original device and you want to restore, you can restore it using the recovery phrase. You can just connect it and restore your Ledger Nano to the previously, like all your previous cryptocurrency can come back. So we will set up for the first time use. I'm also doing it for the very first time with you. So access your crypto. I just want to read everything that I have. Click on next over here, own your private key. So pretty much your private key is in your Ledger Nano X. Whatever transaction you want to do online, it has to be done through this device. So let's set up your Nano. Let's do it. So pretty much I think what we have to do right now is connect. I'll just connect my wallet. Okay, so to set it up, first let's connect the hardware wallet to the Mac, and for this we just connect this cable right over here. It says welcome to Ledger Nano X. Press the right button to continue. Okay, it says download Ledger Live at ledgerlive.com. Okay, that's already done. Next step. Now you need to select a pin code. Press left and right button to change the digits. Okay, it says choose a pin code. Press both the buttons. Now you got to select the pin code. So from this we can change the digits. So I'll just set up a pin code over here. So once you have entered the pin code, just confirm by pressing both the keys. Okay, now the recovery phrase is going to come. Guys, this is the most important step. This is the most important step. One by one, it is going to give you 24 different words. You got to write those recovery phrases. So let's get started. These 24 words are the only backup. To secure them carefully, write down word 1, which is way. So guys, there are going to be 24 different words, and this is the sheet that they have given to enter 24 words. I highly recommend note them down and keep them safe somewhere so that you can use them. So like my first word is way, so I have entered my first word over here, right? I'm anyways afterwards going to reset this entire wallet and set up a new recovery phrase, but for this tutorial I'm going to show you a couple of words. So I have noted down my first word. I go to my second word. Second word is lizard. So pretty much there will be 24 words. You got to note down each and every word one by one. So I have written all the 24 words. Once that is done, we got to go to the next step. Okay, now you got to confirm your recovery phrase. Each and every word that you have written, you need to enter that one by one into this device. I know that's a very tedious process, but that's a one-time thing. So it says confirm word 1. So you got to tell them what the word was. So it is going to give you some random words. So you got to tell them what the first word was. Now my first word was way. So there it is. So you got to confirm your first word. Similarly, you got to confirm your second word. My second word was lizard. There it is. So similarly, you got to confirm all the 24 words one after another in the same sequence, and only that and only then it is going to let you use this wallet. Okay, once you have entered everything, it is going to say your device is ready. Now you can actually go into your device and put in your crypto assets. First thing you got to do is access your dashboard over here. So right now I don't have any application installed over here. How you can install this application is on the Ledger Live application. So we have already done all these steps. So let's go to the next step, genuine check. So now they are going to verify whether the Ledger Nano that you have, that's a verified version. Now I have not purchased it from Amazon or anything, and I strictly would suggest do not purchase it from Amazon or anywhere like that. Don't purchase it from a third party. Purchase it directly from Ledger's website. So I received it today from Paris. So it's asking me to allow the Ledger. All right, allow the Ledger. Now it's going to access it. So it has done a genuine check. So this is genuine, everything's good. Click on continue, and there it is. We are into the Ledger Nano app, guys. Now to add anything over here, first you need to have an account. So let's create an account. I still don't have any account on my Ledger. So what happens is, this is your Ledger device. Now you need to install and put an account over here so that you can put in your currency in that account. So let's add an account. So as you can see guys, there are many currencies available. Pretty much whatever currency you want, you would have them over here, and you can pretty much transfer those to your Ledger wallet. Let us start with, I would say, Ethereum. Let's click continue. So it's going to ask to verify on the device. So as you can see, anything that you do guys, you have to verify it on your device. That's where everything is. That's where your security is. All right, so please install Ethereum, open manager. So you need to go to manager app on your Ledger Live. From manager, it is going to install the application on your Ledger Nano. So all right, Ethereum you can install right over here. So I'll install Ethereum. Also before doing that guys, I think I missed this. There's a firmware update right now. Let's install Ethereum, and then before transferring any of the assets, I would actually do a firmware update. So let's update the firmware. It's straightforward, says you should have your recovery phrase, because if anything bad happens during this update and your device stops working, you will not be able to recover your assets if you do not have a recovery phrase. Anyways, this is a new device. I don't have any assets on the device, but still this is very important guys. You should have your recovery phrase somewhere stored offline, not online guys. I do not recommend storing this on Google Drive or on Google Photos or anywhere which is prone to hackers, where somebody can come in and just hack your device. Please do not do that. So right now it's processing, it's doing the update. I'll just fast forward this. Alright guys, so there is another security over here. So it says verify the identifier. So this is the identifier code that they have given. So I can just eyeball that, go ahead and see there is the identifier, and I'll verify that. And it is going to perform it, and it's going to ask me for my code. So that was a simple way guys through which you can actually install applications on the Ledger Live app. Now the Ethereum is already installed on this. I can go ahead, transfer funds from any exchange. I have got exchange. I have got my funds on Binance. I can just go ahead in Binance. This Ethereum wallet has its own wallet address. From Binance, I can select the wallet address for the Ethereum wallet and can transfer my funds and keep them safe in my pocket or somewhere in my house. This actually what happens is guys, the coins are not transferred over here. Coins are still there on the blockchain, but the password, the private key, or whatever you call it, which verifies that you can transfer funds from one account to another, from one wallet to another, that gets transferred to this wallet, the cold wallet, the hardware wallet. So unless I have not connected this to either my phone or my laptop and actually verify it on this device, my funds cannot go anywhere, they cannot be transferred. Also guys, this can be connected to the phone via Bluetooth. This does have Bluetooth, and the phone app has a Ledger Live. Phone has a Ledger Live app over here, so this can connect directly over here, and from the phone itself I can transfer my funds to anywhere, to any wallet, to any exchange, to anywhere for an investment purposes. And just this wallet needs to be connected via Bluetooth to the phone, and I can verify everything from this device. That was everything that I wanted to tell you about this wallet guys. If you have cryptocurrency and you have got enough that you do not want to lose, please take it off from your exchange. If you are just holding it for a long time, hold it on a hardware wallet like this and keep yourself safe and secure. See ya.